Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to send broadcast messages in ManyChat in 2026. Whether you're announcing a promotion, sharing updates, or reconnecting with your audience, broadcast messages make it easy to reach multiple contacts at once. So let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Then select the workspace connected to your Facebook page or Instagram account. Next, go to the broadcast section and click New Broadcast ***. Yeah, this is where you'll create your message. Now, choose your audience by selecting filters, tags, or contact segments. This helps you send the right message to the right people instead of everyone. After that, write your broadcast message. You can include text, images, buttons, links, or other supported content to make your message more engaging. Before sending, preview the broadcast and send a test message to yourself. If everything looks good, choose whether to send it immediately or schedule it for a later time, then confirm the broadcast. And that's it. You've successfully sent a broadcast message in ManyChat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.